Take command of the road in the 2011 Ford Explorer. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. It's equipped with tons of terrific amenities, but it won't break your budget. Like power windows, mirrors, and seats, front and rear reading lights, one-touch window functionality, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, heated seats, reverse sensing system, and leather upholstery. Power adjustable pedals allow the driver to optimize his or her driving position, enhancing visibility, comfort, and safety. Premium sound drives 12 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. With side curtain airbags supplementing the rest of the safety network, you can be assured that you and your passengers will experience top-tier protection. With a friendly and knowledgeable sales staff, superb customer care, and competitive prices, we're looking forward to serving you.